Hello, everybody from finally sunny Utrecht in the Netherlands. So I want to quickly update you on a cool new feature that our amazing development team in Krakow has been building lately. So as you probably all know, we store for our customers all the touch points that candidates have with them in the online journey, but then also, let's say, in the offline journey, so in the ATS, CRM, etc. So after we build visualization of what channels are attributing to success, so not just to applications, but also to qualified leads and to hires or placements over time. Our customers also asked us to visualize core KPIs for core target groups that they're trying to hire or recruit. And then later they also asked us for a visualization of the funnel so they could see for what types of roles does my funnel look like, how, and based on that I can kind of determine how many applications I need to attract for what kind of jobs, etc. Right? I also know how many interview hours I need to invest for how many placements or how many hires and all these kind of things. And then when we were showing this visualization to them, actually, a couple of our customers and potential customers started asking our sales and customer success people, could you maybe build a small tool that would make it easier for me then to calculate, to reverse engineer? So for example, if my question would be, I want to do 100 hires or placements next year, where I could just input that and then I would see for each stage how many candidates I need to be in those stages in order to reach that ultimate goal. Right? So we have built that recently. So as you can see here, you could say I need 100 hires or placements in total next year. So that means that I need a total of 117 second interviews, 287 first interviews, etc. up until, let's say, how many people need to view your jobs, how many people need to apply, etc. Okay, great. But what if I want to see this for a specific target group? Well, that's the beauty of having a DMP, right? So you build all your data sets yourself, you label all the information automatically based on all the metadata around the events that you store. So for example, in here, I can do a search for, let's say, sales roles, and I can see that my funnel is obviously changing, but I can then also say, now if from the 100 hires or placements I need to do next year, I need, for example, to do 30 sales roles. And then I can see specifically how much time I need to invest there, how many applications I need to get there, and also, of course, what the average CPA, cost per application, is going to be for these roles, and thus how much media investment I should also reserve in order to fill that specific group of roles. Hope you like it. Something else we are working on is the visualization of content attribution. So that means if you have successful candidates, meaning qualified candidates, but more importantly, hires or placements, what is the content that these people looked at during the journey and what is thus the content that I should be pushing during the process? So when people look at my roles, what content should I be pushing out via display, etc. When people are in my CRM but not hired yet, how can I engage them during the recruiting process? What content can I use for qualified people that are not able to hire immediately in order to engage them, etc. See you soon.